Hi, today we will learn Dutch or Netherlands about singular and plural noun or object when you have to use one or when you have to use more than one, singular or plural. Let's start it. Balk is block. If you want to say blocks, it's balken. As we see here, this balk has one vocal, and after that, at the end, have two consonants. With these two consonants and one vocal, you just have to edit the an or en to make it plural. Singular balk, plural balken. This one and this one also same, with one vocal, and two consonants at the end. Punt, punten. Punt is score or dot, period. Punten is scores, dots, periods. Bank, banken. Bank is bank, or can also chair, but a chair that doesn't have the part to be leaned on. Bank, banken. So it can be bank or chair which doesn't have part to be leaned on. It's like in the canteen or so. If you find chair like that, it's bank. It's like that. Yeah. Banken is more than one bank or more than one chair that doesn't have the part to be lean on. Yeah. And now, bal. Bal is ball. If we want to say balls, ballen. This one has one vocal and one consonant. To make it plural or more than one, with this case, with one vocal and one consonant at the end, you double the consonant and you edit en. Ball, bal, balls, ballen. Kip, chicken, chickens, more than one. Kippen. Man, man, but we say man. More than one, in English, mean. In Netherlands, mannen. And this one also, we don't care about the front part, we just care about the end part, with one vocal and one consonant. Boodschap. Boodschap is grocery. If more than one, groceries, double the consonant and we put an. Boodschappen, groceries. Now we already learned about if they have one vocal. And now we will learn if they have two vocal, two similar vocals, or same vocals, or twin vocals. As we see here, 2A, 2U, yeah. In this case, two vocals and one consonant. We reduce the consonant. We reduce the vocal. In this case, A become 1. This one also become 1. This one also become 1. This one also become 1. Ram, window, ram. Windows, ramen. Wall, muur. Walls, muren. Ear, oor. Ears, oren. School, school, school. So, school in English, school. In Netherlands, school, school. Even though we write it same, school, school. Schools, scholen, scholen. And this one, if we have double or twin or same, similar vocals. But after that, two consonant. They will stay the same. And you just have to put the AN. Man, month, month, months, maanden. Word, word, words, woorden. Candle, kaars, candles, kaarsen. Let's focus on these 4 order. In this case, 1 vocal and 2 consonant. It's same. Just put the AN. Also same. 2 vocals, 2 consonant. Same. Just put AN. If only 1 vocal and 1 consonant, we double the consonant and then we put AN. If 2 vocals, 2 similar one or 2 same or the twin vocals, and then 1 consonant, we reduce the vocal, become 1. Consonant is stay, and then AN. So if 2 similar one and then 2 stay, 1 and 2 stay the same, 1 and 1 double the consonant, 2 same and 1 consonant, reduce the vocal, consonants still stay the same, and then AN. Yeah. And now, if the vocals are 2, consists of 2, but different, not same like this, not twin. This one O and U, A and U. With this case, we just have to put the an. This one, different vocals, but have one consonant. Frau, wife, wives, Frauen. Or Frau also woman, woman, Frau, women, Frauen. Door, deur, doors, deuren. And now, how about it consists of two different vocals, ena, ena, and after that is instead of one consonant, it has two different consonants. It's same, we just have to add the an. Bicycle, fits, bicycles, fietsen. Friend, vriend, friends, vrienden. And there's other two order which come when you find the s at the end of the word and when you find f at the end of the word. With s in singular, the plural one, s will become z, z. And the f in singular, it will become phi in the plural ones. House, house. House, house. Houses, housen. House, housen. Rose, rose, rose. More than one rose or roses, rosen. Grape, drauf, grapes, draufen. Doof, dauf, doves, daufen. And sometimes there's also several words that comes with eren in the form of plural or plurals. So I will make another bank, so it means like it's not only one. Yeah. Leaf, blood. Leaves, bladeren. Egg, eye, eggs, iron. Kid or child, kind, kids or children, kinderen. In this case, there's no order about it. It's just several words that appear with eren if it comes in plural ones. So let's say you just have to remember about it, about the words that if plural it comes with eren. And also now we will learn about the s. We will start it here first. I have to move? Yeah. Agenda is the agenda or schedule book. Agenda, or what's the right word for it? Agenda. Yeah. Agenda. If more than one, we put apostrophe and then we put S. And this form, it comes with vocal at the end of the word, which is A, I, U, O, and then this one is I. In this case, it comes with the vocal first and then the I. This one consonant I, this one vocal I. Agenda or schedule book, or what is it? Why the word keeps missing from my brain? Agenda, agendas, taxi, taxis, paraplu, paraplus. Paraplu is umbrella, umbrellas, paraplus. Taxi, taxi, but we say it as taxi. Car, auto, cars, autos. Hobby, hobby, hobbies, hobbies. Playboy is playboy too. Playboys, playboy, without the apostrophe S. Only the S without the apostrophe. So if it's A, I, U, O, I, the plural one we put apostrophe and then we put S. But the vocal and then I, we just have to add the S without the apostrophe. Yeah. And now, when it comes only with S without the apostrophe, if the end of the word R or A or EA or AL, AM, AN, AR. Winner, winners, winner, winners, winner, winners. Kopje, kopjes. Kop is cup. Little cup, we put the YA. It means little cup, kopje. Little cups, kopjes. Little girl or young girl, meisje. Little girls or young girls, meisjes. Vacation, vakantie. Vacations, vakanties. Shop, winkel. Shops, winkels. Broom, basin. Brooms, basins. Young man or young guy, jongen. Young man, more than one, or young guys. Jongens. Daughter, dochter. Daughters, dochters. Thank you. Hi, today we will learn Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia about plural and singular. For noun, it means like when we use the noun as singular and when we use the noun as plural, if one or more than one. Yeah. In Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia, we use same noun for one or more than one. For example, rumah, rumah is house. One house, satu rumah. Two houses, dua rumah. Lots of houses, banyak rumah. Several houses, some houses, some house, several houses, beberapa rumah. Not lots of house, small amount of house, sedikit rumah. It means not lots of, several or some. Rumah is house. And we also can use other noun. Anak, kid or child. Buku, book or book. Mobil, car. Kue, cookie. One, two, many or lots of, several or some, not lots of, just tiny amount, small amount. We just use the original for formation or format. We just use similar. Rumah, or we change it anak, buku, mobil, kue. Yeah. But if we say that this something, it means more than one. We have to write, we have to do the noun one more time, writing or being told, and then we put stripe here. We have to repeat it. It becomes double, it becomes 2 times being written and 2 times being said. Like rumah, stripe, rumah. Ini is this. This house, rumah ini. So for this case, like these houses, these children, these books, these cars, these cookies, we double or we repeat the basic word. It becomes anak-anak, buku, mobil, kue. If it's this something. Akan, will, diruntuhkan. Runtuh is fell apart, destroyed. Diruntuhkan is destroyed. Even though runtuh it means fall. Diruntuhkan is destroyed. These houses will be destroyed. Rumah-rumah ini akan diruntuhkan. So this one with the other words, of course, the other words in the sentence will be different, will be repeated with the stripe in between. But if we want to say with numbers in front of, with numbers or with words that saying lots of or not lots of or something like that, we put only basic form. Like here, ayahku, ayah is dad, father, ku is from aku, me or I, ayahku, one single word, my father, memiliki, has 4 rumah, 4, even though it's more than one, in this case we put one basic form, rumah. 4 is 4, and in Indonesian language we write the number with words instead of with the number. In formal, in not formal writing or something like that, sometimes we will find numbers, but in Indonesian formal like essay or paper, we put word. Even though if we put like this one, we will just put 1 and then in bracket we put the 1, 1 and then space in bracket 1. Ya. Ayahku, my father, memiliki, has 1 rumah, 1 house. Ayahku memiliki beberapa, several, some houses. But in this case, we put rumah, rumah, rumah. We don't put rumah, rumah. We put rumah, rumah, rumah. If we found the numbers or words that saying the amount of the noun, we just put the basic word. But if we want to say these houses, we repeat the basic word. Yeah, I will just put it like this so you understand it will be similar. Yeah. But there's also different order like this one. Vegetable is sayur. Vegetables is not sayur, sayur, but we say sayur, sayuran as vegetables. We have to put an or an, the end of the word, the second, the repeat. Sayur, vegetable. Sayur, sayuran, vegetables. And in Indonesian language, it's not common to say, I just buy 1 vegetable, I just buy 4 vegetables. In Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia, we say, I will buy vegetable or I will buy vegetables. So we use this one or we use this one. Mostly we just say sayur or sayur sayuran. We kinda don't care about the number, about vegetable, because Of course, it will be one or more than one. And sometimes you will find also vegetables in this pattern. Sayur and then stripe mayur. This is also vegetables. So you can say vegetable with sayur or vegetables with sayuran or vegetables with sayur mayur. But we cannot say vegetables with sayur. We have to add the an. Also for fruit is buah. If more than one, buah-buahan. Cannot buah-buah as fruits. Fruits is buah-buahan. Buah-buahan with an or an. And there's also another one. Lauk. Lauk is a bunch of variety of meat. Can be fish, can be others. We just say it's like dishes in. It's like the protein. Lauk is the protein. The carbohydrate mostly rice. So the protein is meat or fish or chicken is lauk. If more than one, lauk pauk. Lauk stripe pauk. So we can see here, edit an. This one S become M in the second one. And this is L become P. I cannot find the rule for that. It's just like that for those words. And also you will find another one. Rumah is house. But if you find double or repeat it with an at the end, rumahan is not houses, because houses is rumah. In this case, rumahan is small house as toy or house toy. Toy in the shape of house. Rumahan. And this one, mobil is car. Mobilan with an at the end. It doesn't mean cars, because cars, mobil. So mobilan is toy car toy. It's toy in the shape of car. Toy car. Yeah. This is toy house, toy car. When you have to say houses, rumah. When you put the an, it becomes house toy house. When you say cars, mobil. When you put the an here, it becomes the toy for children. But with this one, even though with an, it's not toys. Is it real? It's real vegetables, it's real fruits. And kuda is horse. Horses, kuda. And when we found an the end of the second repetition. Kuda-kudaan, it means toy horse. Toy in the shape of horse. Horse, toy for children. Kuda-kudaan. Okay. And there's another one. This animal, it comes with repetition, but it doesn't mean it's more than one or plural, because the single already in repetition form. Turtle, kura, strip kura. Kura-kura. Turtle, kura-kura. If we want to say turtles, we just have to put the number in front of doing like this. Lots of, some, several, or not lots of, in small amount. If we want to put kura-kura here, to say lots of turtles or these turtles, we have to put this one in front of the kura-kura to help to make it like it's not only one but more. We need this word in front of kura-kura if it's appear here. Kura-kura, turtle. Laba-laba, spider. Kupu-kupu, butterfly. Cumi-cumi, inkfish. Ubur-ubur, jellyfish. If we just say kura, have no meaning. Laba is interest. When you doing with your company or so, and then you get interest, you gaining interest is laba. But if you want to say spider, you have to say laba-laba. Kupu doesn't have meaning. To make it butterfly, kupu-kupu. Cumi, even though some people will notice even when you just say cumi, but it's not a complete one. If you want to say inkfish, you have to say cumi-cumi. Even though if you just say cumi, it's like, oh, inkfish, special for inkfish. But mostly should be cumi-cumi. And then jellyfish, you cannot get you have to say ubur-ubur. Yes, this should be same in between. Yeah. And then last one, hati. Hati is heart, but if you find hati-hati, it's not hearts. Hati-hati is more into be careful. Even though we can also say it as hearts, but most of times when we hear hati-hati is more into be careful. If we want to say hearts with this pattern, it's only hati, hati, hati. And then last one, jalan is road or street. But if we find jalan, it can be streets, roads, but it can be also vacation, having vacation. Can be short trip vacation or long trip vacation. Jalan. Thank you.